Last gator taking off. Crazy loud. Yep. Vlog number 5. Airshow 2018 Part 2 from the house. There he is, finally. Parachute. Look at that guy. I think that was a United plane, I'm not sure. 737. 737.
You're right.
Try and listen to that. Turn the volume way up. Fire engine parade thing. Well, crap. We missed it. Missing man formation right there. Well, not really, I saw it. Those guys took off and the guy with the smoke went down there. I was over there coming back or something for the formation. Gonna get some more clip in the next footage. Yep. There they are. Mm-hmm. Formation of all 4 of them, they go down that way, do something else. Once more. Here's a clear shot of them. Coming pretty close by here. One of them just turned the smoke back on. Come on, come through the other side. There you go. What the heck? They broke off. Yes. There's one of them. 2 of them. Pretty close. 3 of them. They all turn their smoke back on at once. They go back down to the air show to do their flyby. Alrighty. That is the American jet. No, quit focusing on the window. Focus on the actual freaking airplane. Camera. Holy crap, look at that. Way up high. There's smoke trail. That is ridiculous. Whoa. Wow. Engine off? What is that? A loop? Oh, all those twirls and stuff. Look at that. That's ridiculous. Building all that speed way back up. Oh, minimum radius turn. That was like 8 Gs. Can't even hardly see him at that point. There he is. He's coming right back down. Why is he straight down? Oh, there he is. Okay. He came right back down. That is high. How much altitude can you possibly get just from that? Oh my gosh, get all that speed right back. Gotta pull right back up. Where is he? Which way? That way. Okay. Just in time for that crap. Did a 4-point rollback there. Was that a double hammerhead? I don't even know what that was. He just, like, did a freaking half hammerhead and then rolled over. Right back down. Smoke is coming off. That is way down to the runway down there. Where did he go? Can't even see him hardly. Is he gonna... There he is. There. Yep, smoke off. Backflip, smoke off. He's hanging there. Look. Hanging right there. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I'm filming this stunt right now. He's hanging there. He's still hanging there. Like 30 seconds just hanging there. Coming right back down. Lost all that speed, zipping right back down. 200 knots, I would assume. Oh my gosh. Zoom it. Thumbs up. Again, thumbs up. Well, looks like Brad Wursten's done for this year. And his thumbs up is still there. Thumbs up is still there. Doesn't this look cool? Fan. Hear that there? Filmer coming up one more time.
As soon as that show is over.
Wow, hit. We got more Warbirds, got the best ones as well. Wow, the big dude as well, like a B-24 or something. Or 25, I forget. That was a super loud guy. There they are. Alright, enough of the Warbirds. There he is, he came back. Sanders Smoke Show. Hawker Seafury, he goes crazy way up there. Might not seem like it, but that is like 3, 4, 5,000 feet. All the way up and over, coming back down. Almost missed him. There he is. There he is. Got him. Coming our way. Throttling back. Down by the airport. Look what all this smoke does. It's unbelievable. Look at the shapes and stuff. Not sure if the camera's getting it, but that is the sound of the T-33 taking off, ladies and gentlemen. The last act of the last day of Airshow 2018. Taking off. Might not be able to see it, but he's taking off somewhere down there. Yep. Super quick. T-33 went like 400 right past there. Down by the airport, and he turns around down there. He comes back and does something else. Next clip. Thought I saw something. Look at him way up there.
Oh yeah, there he is.
That's like 5,000 feet.
Yeah.
He goes way up. Doing a full loop. I like how the sound is so delayed because we're so far away.
Yeah.
Coming way back down.
I think he's coming back.
Oh my
at us.
gosh, pull up. Dude, he gets low.
Wonder if he'll come over
He's
here.
coming for us right now. Look at that. Right back up. Wow, he goes fast.
Can't even hear him.
Even higher that time. He's still going like 400. It's ridiculous.
He'll get lower and come by, I bet.
He does this, like, surprise flyby, like, 600. He comes back, like, super low and super fast. It's unbelievable. Gonna go to that clip in a second, probably. A few more seconds of this, though. Coming back down one last time. 2 massive loops. Look at that. Coming back once more. This time, I'll go to the next clip. Alright, look at that. That is still just unbelievable. It goes right up to, like, at least 2,000. Pulls all the way back super quick and everything. Alright. Oh my gosh, that's fast. He came, like, all the way down. Went over to there, down Airshow Center. Come, like, super fast past here. Coming straight for us, pretty close there. I know it's not in focus, but try our best. Wow. Pretty quick, right back down. Where is he? Come on. There. Over there, I see. Alright. I see what you're up to, Mr. Gray Coiler. Oh, you're coming right for us, aren't you? Oh, no, you're not coming back. I'll film this, then next clip. Closest he's come so far. Look at that. That was pretty close. Look at that. Oh my gosh, here it is, right over us. I see it. Look at that. Closest he'll ever come all day. That is the closest he'll ever come. Did that crazy, like, right-hand flyby from the left side. They came back over here. There he is. Right by the airport. Then he makes that big left-hand turn and right by us again. Right in front of us again. Here he is. Oh, almost behind us. Turn, turn, turn. Yes. I'm totally getting all this. I'm getting all this right now. Come on. Yeah! That is the closest he's ever gonna get to us. That was the closest flyby. He just goes for it. I think I might be doing some kind of sneak thing. He might kind of down by the houses. There he is, right in front of us. There he is. Let me go. Yeah, right over us. There, yeah. High speed, I got this. High speed on camera. Holy crap, gonna be so loud. I totally got the F-18 high-speed pass on camera. The guy that came in for show. Like, the guy that came in for, not show, just for display. That F-18 guy came in for display Friday evening, about 4:30. High-speed pass, just like that, down to the airport. He came back. Where is he? There he is. He frickin' came back for another pass. Dude, we're getting like a whole display right now from this F-18. I guess this young pilot in the F-18 is like, no, I'm not just gonna come here just to be here. I'm gonna show off. Dude. Okay, yeah, there you go. Another high-speed pass. Again. Oh my gosh. F-18 high-speed pass again, twice. Dude, this guy in the F-18 is ridiculous. Holy crap, you can hear the afterburner. It's mental. Dude, that pilot in that F-18 did not come here just to come here. He has given us a show of his own. He's given us a show of his own after the show.